All the 23 accused have been acquitted in the 2004 Sankaraman case. Joining me live for more on the story is our correspondent Shabir. Shabir, take us through what took place in court. Also, we do know that all the people who were accused in this case have been acquitted by the court. Well, we seem to have lost that audio connection with our correspondent Shabir, but let's listen into what the reactions that we are getting to this acquittal.
Today in this case, the judgment has been passed and the learned judge has acquitted all the accused, and further he has stated that the prosecution has failed to prove the motive and there was no conspiracy, and also all the witnesses have been turned, most of the eyewitnesses, crucial witnesses have been turned hostile, and there was no corroborating evidences, and so the learned judge has acquitted all the accused, all the 24 or 23 accused.
What was the reason?
Motive has not been proved, and no supporting all the eyewitnesses. All the eyewitnesses have not supported the prosecution case, and therefore all of them have been acquitted.
Well, our correspondent Shabir is now joining us live. Shabir, the fact of the matter is that a man was killed, and at this point in time, there has been no conviction in this case. Now, of course, to a large extent, there were no witnesses. All the witnesses in the case did turn hostile.
Well, clearly now it's a huge setback for the state government, because it's a huge embarrassment, because this has been a sensational murder trial that was conducted by the Tamil Nadu State Police, and now we will have to wait and see what they are going to do, because as of now the court says that the conspiracy angle, which is the basis of this entire case, that itself is not proved, and also at the same point of time the prosecution witnesses failed to support the prosecution. So that is where the trouble began in this entire murder trial for the prosecution, because almost 80 of the witnesses have turned hostile. So clearly even the police had one trump card named Ravi Subramaniam, who turned as an approver in this case. He also turned hostile at a later stage. So at this moment it's very clear that it's a huge embarrassment for the police here, and also the court has made certain remarks against the police officers who were involved in this particular investigations. They have said that the police officers have acted in an undue haste, and there was some kind of personal interest that was involved in it during the course of the trial. So clearly you can see right now on the screens, these are the advocates from the Vidudalai Sirthaigal Katchi. They have been staging a protest outside the court, saying that the justice has been denied for Sankaraman, and clearly you can see all these lawyers are from a different group, and they have been airing their views regarding this case and protesting and demanding justice for Sankaraman's family. Clearly, there has been mixed response as far as this verdict is concerned, but we will have to wait and see what the state government does. Clearly, the verdict says that the conspiracy angle was not proved, and key witnesses turned hostile, and also Sankaraman's wife had failed to identify the accused when the parade was conducted. So clearly, there was no case that was made out against all these accused. Hence, the court was convinced to acquit all the 23 accused in this particular Sankaraman's murder case.